Do you love pizza but don't know how to make it? Or you're looking for a way to perfect your pizza skills? Then this video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you how to make two different types of pizza from the comfort of your home, and you're gonna love it. Before we dive into the steps, to my new subscribers and returning viewers, welcome to Inspired by JI, where we share curated food content and lifestyle. To make things easier, I made a note on each part of this video to help you remember the information properly. I'll give you guys a background story on how this pizza was made. So I had my niece and nephew. They came over to my home for holiday and it was all fun. You know, when you're a food content creator, people expect to eat everything you've ever created and posted when they come to your house. So this particular day, my niece and nephew said to me, "Auntie, we want to eat everything you've ever posted." And I was like, wow, okay, that's a lot. But we can make something that I haven't posted, but I know how to do. So they asked what was it, and I told them, listen, let's make some homemade pizza, but in this case let's make it very yummy with different types. So after much back and forth and multiple suggestions, we decided to make chicken pizza and the pepperoni pizza, but we added a twist to it. In both pizza we added the minced beef and we used different forms of veggies because my niece and nephew love bell pepper a lot. So we used different types of veggies just to make the toppings look so yummy. And luckily I had chicken breast at home, so it was much easier for me. So this is very easy to make. I had little helps in the kitchen on this day, and while I was thinking on how to make it and when to make it, I said to myself, if I can make this, I can also show my viewers how to make it at home. You know, most times we doubt what we can do because we haven't even tried it out yet, and most times we think, oh, what we can buy outside, it's way better than what we can make inside. But what most of us don't realize is you can actually make a better version of what you crave or what you love from your home, from the comfort of your kitchen. And this is why Inspired by JI is here to show you that you can make every and anything you've ever eaten outside or you've ever craved for from the comfort of your kitchen. So if you love something and you really look forward to preparing that thing at home, then this channel is for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you've watched to this extent, and don't forget to share also. You might be helping someone. So I will drop a little tips on this. You don't want to let your yeast sit on your dough for so long. I'll give you an experience I've had a long time ago. There was a time I left my dough to sit for so long, and I discovered that it became much sticky and it had this sour taste and this bitter taste. And I realized that, oh, maybe the yeast must have over fermented or something like that. So this is just a quick tip from me to you. You could use any toppings you want for your pizza. It's your choice. If you don't have much protein to use, it's still your choice, okay? You can try different types of things in your kitchen. You can try different types of things for your pizza and they will come out just fine. And let me say this to someone out there. If you are always scared of trying things, you might not know what you are good at. You know, I posted a video on how to make something, I think some months ago, and one of my followers reached out to me and said, I have been trying this, I've not been getting it for 5 attempts. And I told them, you need to keep trying because you never know when or which one will come out perfect. So this is me telling you watching this that if you try this pizza method and it didn't work the first time, do not give up. Try again the second time, try again the third time, try again the fourth time, and you might even perfect it on the 5th or 6th time. So keep trying and you will perfect your skills. I told my niece this and they said, Auntie, we'll try it at home when we get home. And I said, that's a new thing. And I was so glad to know that they actually tried it, but they failed at the first attempt. So I'm looking forward towards their second or third or 5th attempt. But this is for you and it's very easy. And feel free to reach out to me for more clarification, or if you need more guidance or more one-to-one step. I don't charge, it's free. So this is the pizza ready to go in. Another tips I would drop for this pizza is The degree you set your oven, and the timing depends on how you love your pizza. It depends on how thick your crust is, the type of toppings you use, and how crispy you want your pizza dough to be. I love crispy pizza dough, so I let it sit there for longer. And I drop these tips again on the notes just so you don't forget it. So this is my pizza. I think about this was about 10 minutes later, but I had to put it back in to get that crispy dough feeling that I wanted to get. So yeah, my pizza is ready, cut into any desired amount you want, and it's ready to be served to your family. So tell me guys, would you be trying this at home, or will you keep buying pizza outside? You can save extra coins, extra penny when you try this at home. And the good thing is you control your pizza size you want. So if you want to learn any special kitchen skills, drop what you want to learn in the comment section, and that might just be my next video just for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you try this at home, because trust me, your family, your friends, your kids, they're gonna love this, and it's very easy to make. So thank you again for watching. Thank you again for engaging. Inspired by JI has gone this far just because of you. And if you want to help us further, please subscribe to this channel and share to your friends. Thank you guys. See you again. Bye.